Limited to just 765 of each of the two race-inspired color schemes, the Street 77765 Moto2 edition is the highest specification Street Triple ever made, with a host of exclusive premium details like carbon fiber bodywork, official Moto2 branding, 5-inch TFT display with unique Moto2 startup screen, and an individually numbered top yoke. Powered by Moto2 Race Evolution inline 3-cylinder engine, making 128.2 bhp at 12,000 rpm and 80 Nm of torque at 9,500 rpm. The bike is equipped with a special Moto2 branded exhaust system with increased flow rate. For precise handling, the clip-on bars are 80 mm lower and 50 mm further forward than the RS, plus the new generation steeper rake and raised back end. For braking, new Brembo Stelima 4-piston radial monoblock calipers with 310 mm twin discs in the front and single 220 mm disc with Brembo single piston caliper in the rear with cornering ABS. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension in the front and IX30 forks and STX40 piggyback reservoir monoshock in the back. The standard electronics on the Moto2 edition includes optimized cornering traction control with IMU, front wheel lift control, 5 riding modes, and shift assist up and down quick shifter. High-performance Pirelli Supercorsa SPV3 tires come fitted as standard, offering racetrack levels of grip and high-speed stability. The limited edition Street Triple is available in 2 race-inspired liveries: Triumph Racing Yellow and Crystal White. The bike has a wet weight of 188 kilograms.